How to fix Venmo account suspended. Here's what you want to do. Open up the browser on your phone and Google search for Contact Venmo. Go to this first website that pops up right here. Now you will see the option "Please contact our support team" here, so you can click on it, see if it loads. For me, it's not loading, so what you can do instead is scroll down until you see the Contact Us option here at the bottom. So just click on that one instead. After we have done this, you want to scroll down until you see the option Message Us. So here you can open up the app to get in contact with Venmo support, and you can also click on General Support here to view their phone number and contact them that way. You will explain that your Venmo account is suspended and they will further assist you with the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.